Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin anonymously in just 5 easy steps. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Use decentralized exchanges or DEX. Platforms like Bisq or Local Bitcoins are perfect for this. They allow peer-to-peer transactions without the need for identity verification. No KYC, no problem. Step 2. Convert your Bitcoin into privacy coins. Think Monero or Zcash. These cryptocurrencies are designed to keep your transactions under the radar. It's like putting on an invisibility cloak for your digital assets. Step 3. Cash transactions. Meet your buyers in person and deal in cold, hard cash. But remember, always use escrow services to ensure the transaction is safe. Your safety should always come first. Step 4. Avoid centralized exchanges like the plague. These platforms require you to complete KYC processes, which means giving up your personal information. Stick to the decentralized route where your identity remains your secret. Step 5. Use mixing services. Bitcoin mixers or tumblers can obscure your transaction history. This makes it nearly impossible for anyone to trace your coins back to you. It's like giving your Bitcoin a fresh start. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to sell Bitcoin anonymously. Remember, always be cautious and prioritize your safety during these transactions. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.